In this video, I'll show you how to create Stripe Radar fraud rules. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Radar in the left side menu. This is where you can monitor fraud protection and manage your fraud prevention settings. Next, open the Rules section and click Create Rule. Choose whether you want the rule to block, review, or allow certain payments based on specific conditions. Now, define the rule by selecting the conditions you want to use. For example, you can create rules based on payment amount, card country, risk level, or other available payment details. Make sure the conditions match your business needs before continuing. After that, review your rule and click Save or Create Rule to activate it. Once it's active, Stripe Radar will automatically apply the rule to future payments that match the conditions you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create Stripe Radar fraud rules. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.